quick, you want to get out.
Yeah, we're not the only ones in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming worryingly close.
Exactly. Told you we'd need wet bit.
More water, please.
Not like that.
No. Oh, they're not bumps.
No.
The metal things, they look like rapid parts, don't they?
Yeah.
Ah! No.
Oh. Yeah. My feet are wet.
Yeah, my feet are wet now.
Did you bring spare pair of trousers?
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh. I don't know what I'm going to be like with this. It's not enclosed. It can't be enclosed if I'm walking.
Oh, Tracy, it's raining, look.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can't
This
fit.
creeps over there.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God.
There it is, on the
Wow.
left. Get it. Oh, it's cold! I thought there was a break run there.
Yeah, I see. Here comes the splashing.
Actually, no, that weren't too bad, actually.
Oh, cold.
If it weren't for the water that came over the front, so if you're not sat at the front, you
Yeah.
probably wouldn't get that wet.
Oh, I don't know.